Welcome in, traders. My name is Edward Preston, professional trade coach for trading futures and forex markets, specifically for day trading. Today is September 11th. It is a Friday, September 11th, 2009. And today's Spotlight Trade of the Day is presented to you by Gnostic Trading Software, a comprehensive package of indicators designed to provide traders with access to innovative methods to take profits from the markets while controlling risk. Our spotlight trade of the day was in the Aussie-US dollar pair. This was a trend trade signal per the quant report found at Gnostic.com. And I say that because if you take a look at the Aussie-US dollar, which is the last pair that we have of the 6 that we view on a daily basis, we had a 3 today. It was a neutral status in yellow. You can see it was a neutral status, but it was positive nonetheless. So you would have been wanting to trade 1% of your equity on this trade signal, looking for an upward movement in the market. This trade setup was at 5 a.m. Eastern Time. The ratio, as you can see down here in our risk manager, pull it over a little bit for you, was 2.66, offering us 46 pips of profit potential and 17 pips of risk. That would be $460 over $170 per unit. As I mentioned earlier, we would take a 1% risk on this trade, 1% of your equity. And since we're able to look at the individual risk, which was $170, if you had, let's say, a $50,000 account, 50, you'd be risking $500 on this trade, which would enable you to take a 2 lot, maybe even a 3 lot on this trade. $20,000 account, take 1 to 2 contracts, and a $10,000 account actually could not have afforded this trade. So that's one of the nice features with Gnostic with this particular risk manager is we can actually find out if we can afford to take the trade based off of the amount of equity we have in our account and looking at the indicators themselves. So let's use a 2 lot scenario here. A 2 lot scenario would have entered at 5 o'clock, entering on the next candle, preceding the alert that we had that was right there above our bull breakout. Your protective stop down here below the bear breakout. As you can see, we never were in any kind of danger of that stop getting hit. There was a pullback later into the trade, actually about, call it 30 minutes before the exit, about actually 60 minutes before the exit. You had one opportunity to take half the positions off here. That came at about 1 hour into the trade, which would be halfway up to our target. And then the actual first legitimate profit target, which is our first line of resistance, came in at approximately 11 o'clock this morning Eastern Time. So this trade lasted for about 6 hours. From beginning to end, that was good for 46 pips. Not a bad trade. Again, that was in the the Aussie US dollar. Hey, futures and forex traders, got Gnostic? Well, if you need professional trading tools and a trading room for education and support, send me an email to eptradecoach@gmail.com. That's eptradecoach@gmail.com. I'll help you get on your way to become a better day trader. You can also call me directly at 877-276-4632. We'll help you get signed up for a free trial using the Gnostic software. Again, my name is Edward Preston. Everybody, good trading.